Hi everyone and welcome to our Friday Assembly. It's the last Friday Assembly of this half term, so well done for surviving all the weeks we have since we started back in September. Life at school has been a little bit different. For example, our assemblies we're normally in the hall, but all of our assemblies have been virtual. There's been more occasions where we've not been able to come together as a whole school, but we've carried on as usual, and in true Lee Forest style, you have done a fantastic job. In fact, I would change that. You've done a remarkable job. So a remarkable first half term for everyone at school. So I would like you to now give yourself a pat on the back for attending school and for doing such a great job. And now I'd like you to give your teachers and your teaching assistants and everyone in school a really big clap for working so hard this half term. So go on, give them a big clap now. Okay, that's enough clapping. Well done, everyone. It is our celebration assembly though, and we have got lots to celebrate this week. So I will pass over to our class teachers to hear who our stars of the week are this week. But before I do that, I must say everyone is looking fantastic this morning. Loving the Halloween costumes. Please make sure you give your pound coins for wearing your non-uniform to your teachers. And also, hopefully you've got some loose coins to be able to buy some sweets later when we have our Halloween parties. Okay, so we've had Halloween parties and allowed you to dress up in your Halloween costumes because we know that this year really you won't be able to go and do trick and treat. So we've done that in school so you'll be able to have a little bit of fun. And a big thank you to our PCAB for putting all the sweets and the packs together for you, okay? And also today we will be sending out our Harvest Festival packages and our hampers to those people that were nominated. So thank you to everyone that have brought in items for our harvest. Really, really proud of you all. So we're going to go over to our stars of the week now. We'll see who our stars of the week are. And actually I'm going to correct myself there. It's not stars of the week. This week is our stars of the half term. So it's not just our stars of the week, it's those people that have stood out since we came back to school in September. Those children who have really stood out to their new teachers. So it's really been remarkable. So let's see who our pupils of the half term are. And then we'll also find out who our readers of the week are, who our Spanish stars of the week are, who our sports stars of the week are, who our rights respecters of the week are. And I will be coming round with a coin for our book vending machine to see who our reading star is, who's been lucky enough to get the token this week. So look out, and it could be you. And I'll be coming to visit your classes with your attendance plaques, with the trophies for attendance, and also with that reading token. So over to our teachers, enjoy, have a great half term, and thanks for all your hard work. Take care.
My child of the half term is Ewan, and I've chosen Ewan because he has blown us away with the remarkable work he's been doing with his reading. He's tried really, really hard during phonics lessons and during his continuous provision time and has pushed his limits, and he just is remarkable in everything that he's doing. So well done, Ewan, keep it up.
For my child of the half term, I've chosen Ellie. Ellie, you're a fantastic role model to all the children in reception. You're so inquisitive and you're so independent, and Mrs. Callie and I are so proud of you. Well done, keep it up.
My child of the half term has to go to Alicia. Alicia has been remarkable for the whole time we've been here. She comes in every single day with a smile on her face. She gets on with her work straight away. She tries her best, and she has made so much progress. And I know she's especially proud of her writing. And so am I, and so is Miss Boylan. So keep up the fantastic work, Alicia.
Hello everybody, my child of the half term is Mason. I have chosen Mason because he always pushes his limits in everything he does. Even when he finds things challenging, he will always persevere. He takes pride in everything he does. He's also a model pupil who will always show the school values, whether it is in the classroom or anywhere in the school. And he is big-hearted. He's always looking out for his friends and making sure everybody in the class are all feeling okay. Well done, Mason.
My child of the half term is Zanera. I've picked Zanera because she's an amazing role model to the rest of the class. She tries hard in every single subject. Her work's always beautifully presented and I can tell she's tried 100% with everything. She's doing loads and loads of work towards her character passport as well, and she's just amazing, so well done, Zanera.
This week, Miss Terry and I are picking our child of the half term, and we thought about this really carefully and we've decided to pick Sajila. Sajila, you have pushed your limits in every single lesson this half term. This morning you wrote a newspaper report and it was absolutely fantastic. Your range of words that you've used is just splendid and wonderful.
I have found, Sajila, that you have been a remarkable child all this half term in all of your subjects and in the way that you behave in the classroom and around school. You are very respectful and kind, you're big-hearted, you're really resilient in all of your learning, and you should just keep it up. We're really proud of you.
Well done. Have a good rest next week, Sajila.
My child of the half term is Tamsin. She's grown massively in confidence and she's engaging in all the activities. She's trying very hard to interact with other children. Well done, Tamsin, keep it up.
My child of the half term is somebody that's already been child of the week, but I couldn't not pick her. I've chosen Amani, and I've chosen Amani because she gets on with the work, no complaints at all whatsoever, and everything she does is to a really high standard. It doesn't matter if we're in maths, in English, we're doing artwork, everything is really good quality. Not only that, she's really helpful around the classroom to me, and she offers to help other children. She's just a joy. So thank you, Amani, keep up the great work.
3MC's child of the half term is Callum. I've chosen Callum because he shows all of the school values, but this half term he has especially found his remarkable. He is really pushing his limits in all of his lessons, especially maths when we have been working on really tricky things. He has shown this half term how independent he can be, and he has really improved since last year. So well done, Callum, keep up the amazing work.
My child of the half term is Ava. Ava, since you started year 2, your work has been amazing. Your handwriting has been so beautifully presented in each and every one of your books. The work that you've been doing at home is of high quality too. You're a fantastic learner and you're a brilliant role model for our class. Well done, Ava.
My child of the week is Jamara. Jamara, I've chosen you this week because you've not only impressed me, but you have also impressed Mrs. Brinley. We are so proud of the work that you have been producing in your phonics lesson and on your independent writing. Keep it up, Jamara.
I've chosen Leisha as my star of the half term because the progress that she's made has been remarkable. Leisha, your phonics, your number has really improved since starting school, so I'm really pleased with you and keep up that hard work. Well done.
We are really proud of how well nursery have settled this year. They are being independent, they are being respectful to each other, and they're working really hard. So well done to all of nursery. However, there is one person who has stood out, and that is Hibba. And Hibba is our child of the half term. Every day she's coming in, she's doing some writing, she's helping us, she's drawing pictures, she's talking to us. She did a beautiful hot write for her story map, and we're really, really proud of her. So well done for your hard work, Hibba. You are our child of the half term.
Hi everyone, my child of the half term is Adele. I've chosen Adele for the amazing work she's done throughout the whole of the half term, especially with her character curriculum work, but also with her work in school, so in English, maths, science, everything that she's done has been amazing. So just keep it up, Adele, well done.
Hi everybody, the Learning Mentors star of the term is Junior Bird. Well done Junior, you've settled back into school really well. You're pushing limits every day and you've shown us just how remarkable you can be. We're really proud of how you've settled into Year 5. Keep it up.
Hello everybody, my child of the half term is Marianne. Marianne, you have been absolutely remarkable. Every day you have shown that you are resilient, you have high aspirations, you have been a role model to everybody in this class, and you are so unusually brave because nothing is too difficult for you. Every challenge you greet with high expectations and a really positive attitude. You've been an absolute inspiration. Please keep up the incredible work, Marianne.
Andrea, Mrs. Tilly and I have chosen you to be a star of the term because even though you are a quieter member of the Hub, your remarkable work and ideas never go unnoticed. You just need to see what we do, which is a lovely, big-hearted person with a warm and friendly smile that achieves awesomeness when pushing their limits. Well done, star of the term. See you soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Reece Checkley. So easy to choose Reece this week. He has been phenomenal. I am so impressed with his presentation. He earned his pen license this week, which was incredible. His math is spectacular and he's defying all odds. Definitely trying to go for greater depth this year, which is amazing. So without a doubt, Reece Checkley, well done. Keep up the hard work. I'm super duper proud of you.
Good morning. I have to say that it has been difficult to choose a child of the half term. I would like to thank all of 6BP for returning to school with such motivation and such a remarkable attitude. But after a long deliberation and a look through books, I have decided that my child of the half term is Abu. Well done, Abu. I can't say enough about you. And I know you were Child of the Week only a few weeks ago, but I think you thoroughly deserve Child of the Half Term. Your books are a pleasure to look at. Your presentation is amazing. Every thought and detail that goes into your work is really quite remarkable. You are big-hearted, kind, considerate, and so well-mannered. You must make your parents very proud. I know you make me proud, so well done. Thank you. Bye.
Been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile would be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road.
Every turn I take, every trail I track,
to embrace my faith.